So my window regulator is busted on my Volvo, so it caused it to it caused the glass to get misaligned. So if you look at this, yeah, this is in bad shape right now. So I'm going to replace the clips on the regulator. Actually, it's the clip on the regulator that gets busted. So what I have here are two regulators. Clips for the regulators. They are, I think, $5 each. They're really cheap. I think the one from the dealership is quite expensive. Basically, it's easy to replace the regulator or the clips on the Volvo. You just need to take out all this plastic grommets here. One, two, just one down there, and this one. And then there's a hidden screw over here, and then probably this one. Oh, I think this one this trim needs to be out. There's no screw in there. You can take that out. There's one hidden here. I think that's a T25. Yeah, take this out. And I think this is the only screw that you need to take out. These are torques to push this in. Yeah, push that in. Push that in. We got one missing over there. And this one over here. Yep. Then we're gonna pop it up. Yep, we got all of them. And then we're gonna pull these out. Then you need to disconnect connectors here and the one over there. So I got the connectors out. So I got 1, 2, 3 connectors there connected to the main switch over there and to the speaker over here. And I need to open the cover here. So this was opened before, and we need this to go down. So what we're going to do is put the switch back. So we have to reconnect this, and then turn the car in accessory, and then switch it down. Okay, I reconnected the switch. Try to make the clips visible. think it got stuck, so I need to adjust it. Yeah, see, it got aligned. It got misaligned, so need to unstuck. So I have to pry this out so that I could see here, so that I could see the other clip here. And also I have to take this trim over here so that I could see what's going on inside. So I have to remove the glass out because the regulator there is bent. So this one is damaged. Yep, this is the one that usually fails. So crack in here. And this one is still okay. Now, if you look at the damage here, see that? That's your arm. And this is where the clip goes. See that? And then here's your arm. It's bent. The other arm is okay. We need to fix this one before we could put the clips in. Yep, it's bent over here, and you cannot switch it all the way down because it bumps into the metal portion of the door. Yep, this one is bent. Okay. So I'm using a long pliers to straighten that out. I don't know if I could focus on this one. Let's see. Yeah, it's hard to focus. So I'm gonna start straighten this out. Yeah, access is terrible. Yep. So I'm gonna try straighten that out before we could put the clips back in. Okay, so I got it straightened out. So I'm gonna test it if it's not touching the regulator metal when it goes up and down. Yep. So looks good to me. Good. Let's see if I can straighten it out. When you install this clip, make sure that this metal clip should be like this, in this position. Once you put the ball in here this way, it will like slide in and lock. Most instructions on YouTube, what they do is they basically put the clip like last. Yeah, you're gonna have a hard time putting it there because you don't have lots of access, and this is the best way to do that. It's this clip actually locks that ball, so put that in before you put in the ball. And then for the adjustment, you need to make sure that you can also access it from here, because when you put in the glass, you're gonna like press this ball towards you, locking into the glass. Same thing on that side. That's why I have it positioned like this, so that I could put my hands over here then push that inwards. Yeah, that's how you lock the glass to the regulator. So yep, so looking at this, yep, you're gonna reach out from here, from this hole here, and then push it. Once it clicks, that's it. Same thing with this one. You have like lots of access on this one. Okay, got a bigger hole in here. So yep, once you have that aligned, back. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in the clips. So yep, there's some grease in there. Yeah, you have to make sure that it's pointing like outwards. Just want it pointing outwards so that you could just like put a hook later. When it breaks down again, well, basically it will break down again. So that you're gonna place a hook in here and then push it out to unlock the regulator from the glass. Okay, one final test. So that's our limit. So my window regulator is pretty much busted, even though I fixed it. Well, not really fixed it 100%, but can't really fix it. It still works. It slides up and down, but it's very limited. Like it only slides down halfway because this portion here is bent pretty much, that I can't restore it to its original form. So it's bent and the glass is hitting it going down. So what I did is I went to the junkyard and get some window regulator that is fine. So this one, this is how should it look like when it's not bent. So it's actually bent a little bit. Same thing with this one too. And then the problem with this is that it's riveted. So there's a rivet over here, rivet over there, 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 and there. So you need a rivet tool that has like a very long nose to reach that area. I don't know if you could use a bolt there, but it's the space is tough. Maybe a self-tapping screw maybe should work. And then as a demo, this is how you should like install the clip. You should put this one when you install it. When you take this out, you have to pull this clip out so that you could release it. But when you are installing the glass or the slider, you should like put the clip in place and then snap this in. Oh. And then this way. Yep, it will snap in that way. So if you want to take this out, just sub something, pull it out like this. Yep. Once you get that out, you could release it. It will release, probably not easily, but yep, that's how you release it. So someday, if I'm able to get the tool, then yep, I'll install this one. But for now, nope.